giraffe or a baby fort.
I say wake,
I say sleep, jump out of bed or snore so deep.
I say clean,
I say dirty, after chocolate hands get squirty.
I say heavy,
I say light, like a big fat bag or a feather in flight.
I say open,
I say close, like a swinging door or one that froze.
I say in,
I say out, like walking home or going about.
opposites are here to play in a funny, jolly way. Learn them fast and sing along. Opposites make our brains so strong. I say soft,
I say hard, like a teddy bear or a stony yard.
I say new,
I say old, like fresh baked cake or one that's cold.
I say dry,
I say wet,